it is a piece of junk. Do not buy this thing. Okay, so this truck is dead, right? Put the key in the ignition, try to turn it on. Let's see, I'll turn it here for you. Nothing at all. Can't even read codes. So I have my Schumacher power jump pack that I got from Oreilly's, and whatever reason it's beeping. So let's take a look at see what's going on there. Line up red, it's beeping. I tried to read the codes, but it wouldn't even let me do that. So, man, 89%. So I'm gonna take this out real quick and then put it back in. Sorry, couldn't do that while I needed two hands. Now it's going green. So it's only giving me a little bit of time to start this vehicle. Man. Seriously? Come on. So I gotta run over there and start it real quick. I can hear it. Only gives you a little bit of time.
MyPillow.com and click on the radio.
Is that battery? No, I'm gonna have to. All right. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna. Doesn't like that at all. This battery is dead. So I'm gonna do. I doubt. Oh man, maybe the alternator's shot. I'll try this a couple more times, but you don't have a lot of time with that Schumacher jump starter pack, and it was charged 100%. It took it down to like 86% pretty quickly. So I had better hopes for that thing. Let me try to jump it here, and I will. I'll jump inside the truck and actually leave. Put my foot on the engine to keep it running. But I think what's happening is that once the jump pack stops sending power to the vehicle just dies. So I'm going to pause it right here, guys, and I'll bring you back. All right, I've had this Schumacher jump pack for several years now, and I can officially say it is a piece of junk. Do not buy this thing. I don't know if they designed it this way, and I might get some hate comments, but this thing only lasts, and not as far as charge, but you hook it up to a battery, and it only gives you about 10 seconds to run around, or to, let's say you put it on the battery, right, a dead battery. You get all set up, hit the button, it's ready to jumpstart the car. You run around as fast as you can into the passenger seat, and you try to crank it, and it only gives you about 10 seconds before this actually powers down. This red light comes up and starts beeping. Like I said, I don't know if they designed it that way. They should have given you at least 30 seconds, maybe a minute. I understand why. I understand why they probably did it that way, so you don't burn up this power pack. But it is stupid because it requires you to have two people to jumpstart a car. And usually when you need to jumpstart a car, it's late at night because your car sat at the airport forever. You're trying to get home in a rush, and you don't have somebody else, another set of hands to actually help you out and jumpstart your car. Or that's what it was designed for. It was designed that you can jump this by yourself. You don't need somebody else to come rescue you, right? You're by yourself. You got to jump your car. You got to get home. And this thing is a piece of junk, dude. Piece of junk. Do not buy this. Oreilly's, if you're listening, I would like it if you could give me my money back. I understand you probably can't because how much time has passed, but I'm just warning everybody else out there, don't buy this thing. Do not buy it. I ordered a NOCO battery pack jumper, and I should be here in several days, and once I get some time with that, I'll do a review on that. I've only read good reviews on it, and I have NOCO Genius chargers that I've been using for the last 20 years. So there you go, guys. If you're thinking about buying this, don't do it. Piece of junk.